how to add policies to footer on Shopify step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick Shopify tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add your store policies like refund, privacy, terms of service, and shopping to your website footer. This is super important because it builds trust with your customer, helps with the legal compliance, and makes your store look more professional. So, by the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your privacy page and link them to your footer. Now, so let's get started. First thing first, Shopify actually provides built-in template for most of these, which you can customize for your store. Like for if template isn't available, like for a detailed shipping policy, you can manually create your own. Now let's create or edit your policy. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to your Shopify. Now I'm in my Shopify dashboard, as you can see. Now what you have to do in the left side, you will find there is option of setting. Just simply click on this setting option in the left bottom, and just scroll down, and you will find this policy option in the bottom. Just simply click on this policy option. Now you will get written a different policy and terms of services, shipping policy, contact information. So from here, these policies are linked in footer of checkout and can be added to your online store. Now what you have to do is just create. Now, in order to add your return and refund policy, right now I haven't created anything, so I will just copy this and give to ChatGPT. So it will create return and refund policy for my product. So I will choose and create return and refund policy. So I will just for this tutorial, I will use this one as a template. You don't need to use ChatGPT. You can add your own, or you can go and counsel to a lawyer. So I'll just copy this and then copy and then paste into return and refund policy section. So this looks good. Click on this publish button. Now let's move to privacy. It's a privacy policy. It's automated. Now let's move to terms and services. Again, I will copy this and paste into ChatGPT and hit enter. Now, again, I will copy this as a template. You don't need to copy of ChatGPT. Now, let's publish this. It's trying to create for shipping policy. Again, I will take the help of ChatGPT. Wait for a few seconds and I will copy this. Okay. I think this thing is good. Copy and paste into shipping policy section. This look good, and go to contact information. So you can install Inbox as well. It's a free app. So you can install. It will basically you can add chat to your store with the seamless workflow in Shopify, or you can give answer question quickly with the AI powered suggested replies using the Shopify inbox. And you can send product recommendation, photos, discount without leaving the chat. So if you want to add this like AI generated or AI chat to your store with the for in your workflow, just install this app. So I'm not going to do that. I will just add my contact details over here, contact information, just for the template. Hit enter, copy the template. So business name, phone number, and website. You can add these and then publish. Now, as you can see, we have successfully added our return and refund policy. Then we have added terms of services, and then we have added shipping policy. Then we have added contact information. Now let's move to adding to our footer. So what you have to do is just simply close this and go to content. Now into content, you have to go into menus. Now first into menus, you will find this footer menu. Click on this footer menu. Now I have added, as you can see, there is a menu item. Just simply click on this menu item, and then from here you can add, let's say, privacy. No, privacy policy not. Just scroll up and copy the first text which I have added. This is the label, and then go to link. Now if you go into policies, from here you can find the return policy. Just simply link that information with it, refund and return policy. Now click on this add menu item. Then what we have to add is we have to add the terms of service, add label, then go to link, then go to policies, then link that terms of services with the policy, sorry, with the label. Now let's add one more menu. Now let's scroll down and add shipping policy. Again, go into policies, then search for shipping policy, then again add menus and click on this label option over here and click on this contact information, and then click on the link button, and then again go into policies and click on this contact information. Now after adding all of the things like return and refund policy, then terms of services, then shipping policy, then contact information, then just simply click on the save button. Now the menu has been updated. Now it's time to add this menu into your website. So go into online store and go into theme. Now click on this customize option. I'm using the server theme. So click on this add footer option over here. So, okay. Now in the left side, you will find this footer option. Just simply click on this footer and then click on this add block. Now in the add block, go into menu. From here, you will find this some quick links. Just simply click on it. Now, if you see, zoom in, you will find these links. When you click on these links, it will open this page like this. So this is cool. This is like good. This is professional. So this is how you can add a shipping policy. Let's say if you want to add different policies, things you can add like this. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to the channel and comment it down if you have any question related to Shopify. Just thanks for watching.